In today's video I will do my face show because I was so bored by putting on makeup at a practice. That's why I thought I'd show my face to everyone online my videos. Before that I would like to show you some highlights from my previous video. I worked hard to teach you makeup on this makeup practice board. I also wanted to teach you full face makeup. And I've decided now that I'm on my face and I'll teach you how to make up. So as you can see I ordered this one thing. I have ordered a face online for my channel. I have been waiting for months for this face to come and I will share it with you all without wasting time. First we open this parcel with the help of Caesar. I hope this parcel of mine is the best. I can teach you all how to make up. I've opened this parcel here and there's here and there's another segment that you can see. Now I will open that you can see. Now I will open this box too, so you can see how beautiful. It is very beautiful and it looks like a real face. I am very happy that I received this parcel and my happiness is endless. If you want me to tell you all that I ordered this face from, then be sure to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. When my video gets more likes and more users, I will tell you where I got the face from. You will definitely tell you in the comments how you liked this video of me showing my face. I show myself his face even more so you can see how beautiful it looks. I like the face and I would like to make up you on it. How beautiful. It is very beautiful and it looks like a real face. I am very happy that I received this parcel and my happiness is endless. If you want me to tell you all that I ordered this face from, then be sure to like my videos and subscribe to my channel.